Good morning and welcome to Equipment Remarketing. Today we're taking a look at a 2015 utility 45 by 102 steel wood deck. Folks, this unit is in beautiful shape, completely been repainted. As you can see how clean the underside is, the beams are in perfect shape. Excellent kingpin plate. This unit has steps on the passenger side. Brand new buyer's toolbox, aluminum outer rim with steel inner, brand new rubber all the way around, air ride suspension, sliding tandem, brand new brakes and drums all the way around. Universal mounting kit, carries Moffett, Princeton, Loadmac, many other brands. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com, and you can see the available forklifts for sale. We can make a package deal for you. Aluminum outer rim, brand new rubber, brand new straps, brand new ratchets on this unit, folks. Look at the beam condition. You can see how beautiful this unit does look. 45 by 102, 2015 utility. This is Equipment Remarketing. Give us a call at 260-238-4998. Take a look at our website, 99lifts.com.